Folks, how you going? Well, today's video is going to be a little bit different to normal. Normally I'll do some drone and some crazy stuff like that, but today this is a consumer advice video. This is my spare phone, which I use for doing some live feeds and some vlogging and stuff, and something's happened to it. Normal phones should really sit flat on the back there. You can see this one's got a bit of a bubble. It's not sitting flat. It's also got a cracked screen here. You can see that's cracked. Hopefully. And you may ask yourself, why is it bubbling? See the little drama we have here. Don't know if you guys can see that, but yeah, the back of this phone is actually arching over. Now the reason it's arching over, as you've probably guessed it by now, is because of the battery. It's actually pushed the screen off. Can you see that gap there? That gap's not meant to be there. It's about a 2.5mm gap. It's meant to be flush and flat like this part here. But it started to push my entire screen out. The phone still works. You can see it's a Galaxy Note 4. It's actually cracked the screen and pushing it out, and she's bloated. So what I'm going to do is show you guys the reason why this has happened. And yeah, here it is there. I don't know if you guys can see how severe that is, but yeah, we got some issues there. We got some big problems. That battery, I think, is possibly about to explode. It's just bloated like a puffer fish. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to crack this battery open and see if I can see the reason why it's puffed out like that, because I don't really know. Alrighty, let's get cracking. Maybe I'll use the knife instead. Kids, don't try this at home. Adults probably don't try it either. I'm going to attempt to open the battery up. It's about 41 degrees C here today. It's just in Australia, so she's pretty hot, so I certainly hope this doesn't explode in a ball of flames. So underneath this layer here is the cause of the puffiness. Let's have a look here. I think I'll lay down my fireproof pad just in case things get hectic. And when I say hairy, I mean hairy. I'm not too sure what's going to happen here. Oh, oh, she's starting to puff. Ooh. Ooh. Yep, don't know if you guys can smell that, but that was a puff of smoke. And, oh, gosh, it's getting really hot. Oh, crikey. Yeah. Yes. I think I took this out of my phone. Just in the nick of time. Okay, I've got my fan going, because that really stunk. Oh, it's really, really hot. Ow, ow, ow. Crikey. Oh yeah, she's melting. She's melting. I think I've obviously touched something I shouldn't have touched. So whatever's going on in that underneath there is not good, folks. Oh, it's really, really hot to touch. It's not smoking anymore. However, if you look in there, you can see some smoke. You can see some charcoal action. You can see it. Yeah, starting to burn. Just had an idea. I might safety goggle up. Shouldn't really be doing this, but no worries, mate. Good to go. Oh, it's still. Oh, it's getting even hotter. It's getting even hotter and hotter. We've got to hurry. Don't think this is going to end well, guys. Don't know if I'm going to be able to show you what's underneath here. Oh. Yeah, ouch. So if you find yourself with a bulging phone, it's your battery. Get the hell rid of it. Really, really dodgy. This thing's about to explode. I'm hoping putting it in the water isn't going to cause any more problems, but oh, there we go. There we go. Yep. Oh, there we go. There we go. Yep. Oh dear. Yep. Oh dear. Yep. Crikey. Yeah. Big problems. Oh, hell. Don't breathe that in, guys. Let's take it outside and get rid of it. So yeah, I thought it was actually I was really knackered, but not quite. Let's get rid of this battery. I'm not going to breathe this stuff in. It really stinks. Probably quite toxic too. So yeah, there's a top Sky Pilot top tip for you. Fat battery, chuck it. Don't play with it. Don't cut it open. And don't be silly and put it in water. I sort of knew it was going to fizzle, but I didn't think I'd get such a huge reaction, so that's cool. I'm going to go sort some fans out on my shed because she's cloudy and stinky in there. You can just sit in there, I think, and bubble away. I hope you guys will learn something, and thanks heaps for dropping by, and I'll see you on my next crazy adventure. Catch you later. Bye for now. Bubble, bubble, bubble. By the way, there's a good battery.